Boomhauer 69 here, and I'm going to show a vintage Wild Turkey handmade knife. This knife is handmade. It has a total of 4 blades. There's what the handle looks like. I really like the kind of burnt mark on it. And there's the turkey little bird logo. Here's the blade with all the information on it. Handmade turkey. And here's another blade. And here's the last two. Again, this has a total of 4 blades on it, but there's what it looks like. Here's another close-up of what the handle looks like. And the little bird.